Reliant Funding is a provider of alternative funding for small businesses, right? Over the last 14 years, we've funded over $2 billion to over 10,000 small businesses across the US who are in need of capital fast, right? Whether it's growth capital or scenarios occur in day-to-day or month-to-month where small businesses need cash quickly.
The biggest change in implementing Datameer was that we were able to take a project that previously required multiple personnel and over a month of data engineering and validation, and we were able to repurpose that same job using the same code into Datameer in less than a few days. So we got an extremely fast turn time in order not only to migrate off of our existing SQL-powered stored procedures, but we were also able to deploy a solution where the business users turned a 1-minute refresh time into seconds. And that was using the power of Datameer and Snowflake together. Datameer was definitely able to speed up our analytics process so that we could have fresh data. For one, we don't have to rely on these batch processes that run overnight. Now, the data is coming directly out of Snowflake, leveraging the views that we generate in Datameer. Additionally, because we're not having to move data out of Snowflake and then back in, we have fewer scheduled processes that have to run, which in turn means that data is getting to the business users faster. Datameer provides additional governance and metadata so that we can track the projects as things move from development to production, and also for labeling and tagging our data so that we create these reusable building blocks. So at Reliant Funding, Datameer fit in perfectly to our analytics strategy of laying concrete as our foundation and ensuring that we have these reusable building blocks for current and future team members as we scale. One of the game changers for us using Datameer is the low no-code solution. So my data analysts who are less comfortable in coding SQL can drag and drop their way to business views. However, my data engineers who prefer to write SQL code now just hop right into Datameer and start coding using the inline editor that is absolutely transformational to having data science, data engineering, and analysts all working in one environment.